while you are growing, your people are growing. And when your people are growing, they experience something new that no matter how chaotic the world is or no matter how things get lost, no, because your people are stable, including you.
He is co-founder and the CEO of Harmony and Wellness Enterprise. Give a round of applause for our guest, Sir Gio.
Pag nag-work ka, usually, iniisip mo lang yung work mo from 8 to 5, tapos uwi ka na. Pero pag nasa business ka, kahit hating gabi, magigising ka, isipin mo, ano na kaya nangyayari sa business na? Knowing the space, so I think she will be proud.
Welcome to another episode of Beyond Business Playbook, the show where Filipino entrepreneurs learn how to scale smarter, lead better, and grow faster.
I'm Don, and also I'm with Dale, and with us is Coach Russ, our mentor and at the same time the CEO of CEOs. And today we have our guest. He is co-founder and the CEO of Harmony and Wellness Enterprise. Give a round of applause for our guest, Sir Gio.
Thank you for inviting, and it's my first time to be guest in a podcast. Wow. And sa totoo, medyo kabado, no? So hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari sa usapang kwentuhan natin.
Yes.
Yan, thank you, Gio. So before everything else, before anything, can you share with us and to our audience a little background about you and your organization?
So Harmony and Wellness, I was a co-founder with my wife. It started when she got some acne and pimples that hindi gaano matreat. And nag-try siya mag-visit ng derma, nag-try na different product, and medyo hindi nag-work. And someone gave us a soap na kulay orange na walang box, walang label. And she tried it and it worked.
Wow.
Not knowing kung ano man yun, we tried to study it. And ang laman pala is carrot soap siya na may essence ng carrot, may iba-iba pang ingredient. And it worked for her. Having a small business prior to getting married, meron silang Chinese drugstore sa may Santa Cruz. Nagbenta kami ng sabon na hubad and marami natulungan and nag-work. Then someone discovered na kailangan pala i-register. Hindi lang pala pwede magbenta ng sabon na hindi naka-register. Nilagyan natin ng box. Tuloy tayo sa process na kailangan ng government natin para mag-comply. We sold it there and marami natutulungan. Nagkakaroon ng confidence kasi nag-work.
Wow.
Along with that, with the blessing of the Lord, someone introduced us. In-introduce yung product natin para pumasok sa mga bigger stores, sa mga big stores ng Watsons, selected stores ng Mercury, with the purpose na ma-reach out yung mga kailangan ng confidence through a bar. Sa tingin ko, kahit nung during high school ako, minsan Band-Aid pa yung nilagay ko sa pimple ko at pumasok ako sa school. Nakakahiya.
Just to hide those pimples.
May ibang tao naman ayaw na pumasok kasi nahiya sila sa pimple nila. Isa yan sa pampabalik confident, lalo na sa mga teens, which is yung carrot soap natin.
I agree. And thank you so much for sharing that, Sir Gio. No? And right now, I'm curious, 17 years na, no, nag-ooperate yung business. Can you share to us what are those struggles na na-experience nyo before building it for 17 years?
At first, we have a vision, mission na nakapost lang nga sa wall. At first, we're just basta magkaroon lang ng business and livelihood, not just for us and to our employees, na may simple livelihood. Basta may makakain tayo dahil may work tayo. Paikutin lang natin yung budget. Lahat tayo, kayo may work, kami may work, may livelihood, at may time. Saan ba namin gagamitin yung time? Yung time na inallocate namin is the business was for the Lord and for the church. Na sana meron kaming time para mag-serve. Illusion lang pala na magkakaroon ka ng maraming time pag meron kang business. Kasi pag nag-work ka, usually iniisip mo lang yung work mo from 8 to 5, tas uwi ka na, you're with family na, pwede ka na gumawa ng iba. Pero pag nasa business ka, kahit hating gabi, magigising ka, isipin mo, ano na kaya nangyayari sa business namin?
24/7.
So paano ba ito aahon? But the major struggle that I experienced is I co-founded with my wife, but the Lord have another plan na nung 2015, kinuha siya ni Lord and nawalan talaga ng purpose yung company. Nawala yung vision ko, nawala yung purpose ko, except sa livelihood, parang wala talagang significant purpose to continue on. So for around 5 years, although the Lord continued to bless the business, may kita pa rin kahit na medyo lost. Nagkaroon ng biglang changes nung nagkaroon ng pandemic. Kasi being 17 years, very old school kami mag-business. Brick and mortar yung style namin.
Traditional nga.
We give it to distributor, sila yung magbebenta sa store. Nung nag-hit yung pandemic, nag-iba yung landscape. Naging online.
Yeah.
People weren't able to go to the store. Binibili nila yung mga products online. Being 17 years, sa tingin ko, many of you haven't heard about our product pa. So yan yung naging struggle since pandemic until now. So nung 2025, nagkaroon kami ng struggle na magpapatuloy pa ba tayo? Kasi parang hindi na siya ganun ka-profitable or even break-even or minsan nasa red pa tayo. A business is not a charity na how long can you survive using yung pinag-ipunan niya na, hindi yung profit na umiikot. Through the guidance of the Lord, napunta ako sa isang space na kailangan pala more learning about internet, more on
E-commerce.
more on magpapakita sa social media. So sa 17 years, never ako nagpakita sa social media for our company.
Yeah.
So nag-enroll ako kay Real Talk Darbs.
Talk Darbs, yes.
The person who encouraged na maybe it's time to show up after 17 years. Ikaw nga magpakita.
Yes.
And that's where I also met Coach Ras. Siya yung first speaker dun. My purpose on joining the content creation space is to help the company, to represent the company, and to be the face of the company. Okay, ang daming natutunan natin techniques and how to show up, but there's also another line na hindi lang pala technique or skills ang kailangan outwardly to let your company go on, which is yung side ng IM Plus with Coach Ras is personal mastery. It starts within. We need to go back to our purpose. It's not just doing business or doing a profitable business. We need to know our why. We need to know our purpose. So, through the struggles, I believe since nag-start ako ng March up to now, ibang-iba na yung feeling ng ako personally and the team. Ano na kaya mangyayari sa company? Baka maglaho na lang.
Yeah.
We're now, step by step, rising, no longer in a plateau. We're trying to build it step by step along with Coach and Coach RTD and all the gang na nagtutulungan. Still, we're still looking for the blessing of the Lord kasi kung walang blessing ni Lord, wala rin. It all works hand in hand.
Sir Gio, I'm curious right now, what's the difference from before to right now in present? Ano yung mga nag-shift sa inyo, sa company nyo, in embracing these new methods?
Ako yung nag-meeting every Tuesday. Usually pinag-uusapan namin statistics. Kumusta yung sales?
Numbers.
Kumusta attendance? Kumusta yung hindi niyo pagiging late? Ano nangyari sa outlet? More on very tactical. Una, tatanungin nila, ano yung OD? Overdose ba yun? Baka nag-overdose ako ng something kaya nabubuhay yung company at masaya.
Yeah.
Hindi yun. Hindi overdose ng pinagbabawal.
Yeah.
This is an organizational development which is guided by the different coaches. May isang line na kailangan nating alagaan for us to be not just successful but also to be happy and fulfilled.
Coach Ross, can you share to us, how did you met Sir Gio? What's the experience before nung nag-ask siya ng guidance and support?
I think what I like about Gio is very inquisitive. Tapos very curious. Parang the relationship started with stalker. Nagla-like, nagme-message, tapos biglang nagkaroon sila ng lakas na mag-message. Tama ba?
Yes.
And then, tapos sudden, lahat ng talks ko, nandyan siya. Nagsashow up no matter what, no? I like it simply because you're very humble in a way that, yes, naging successful ako the past 17 years, pero hindi ko na pwedeng mag-operate this way. And that's why he's very open around it. No? So, apparently, since, again, we have a lot of people to do what I do, binisita, no? And I guess, the same step na nagkaroon ng conversation, ano bang gusto mo mangyari sa company mo,
Yes.
nasaan ka ngayon, anong support kailangan mo. Obviously, it started with still the same, no? Assessment of number one, his leadership. Right? Hindi siya madali kasi talagang with complete honesty and I should say openness, we will tell you that if your business is no longer working, maybe outdated na yung management and leadership style mo, and he's just very honest and open to, right, okay, I need help. right? It's also taking a look at on assessment not only about his leadership but also the leadership of everyone around him. No, na parang okay, sabay-sabay pala tayong pareho na outdate na. Apparently, pangalawa, it's also assessment about the culture. Ano bang kultura natin? Is it about self-management or kailangan pang pagsabihan yung mga tao? Is it about self-motivated, which means may incentive or wala, lahat kikilos na parang may-ari? But maybe the biggest question here is it self-sustained? Ibig sabihin, people can stay without looking for another job because happy sila. No? That brings to the next assessment, which is culture. No? So, again, in 2 or 3 hours time, no, I think that was the first step that they did. And maybe curious lang ako because, again, I wasn't there. Okay? It's just our coaches who just are here to love people just like you, to bring soul to every organization. Siguro curious lang ako, anong instant effect sa organization mo, lalo sa as business owner, nung pagbisita natin, nang gumawa kami ng free leadership, culture, and organization assessment.
At first, I was really honored and appreciate ko na may mag-visit sa office. Hindi lang ako yung magsasalita at medyo hindi na kayo nakikinig, di ba? So, yung effect nun is, it reflected on my leadership before. Sabi ko, pag may ibang taong pumunta, mas makikinig kayo. And it really worked na when the coaches came, what they spoke to the core and to the group really penetrated na marami pala kaming bags. It's not the skill at work, but we have many personal issues na dala-dala natin sa company. Kaya hindi tayo mausad kasi may kanya-kanya tayong dalang bigat. And one by one, as the coaches visit, na-explore natin na, ay ito, kailangan natin pala ibitawan. Itong mga practices or culture na doesn't work na, we need to level up na. Sa tingin ko, yung isa sa pinaka maalala nating lesson is yung full out. We need to go full out. Pwede na 50-50. Magiging 50-50 nga yung company pag ganyan.
Tama.
But if we go full out, nandyan yung progress and level up.
Yeah. That means the first conversation is all about change management. Okay? Change intervention. Most probably in the traditional change intervention, resistance ka agad. Banggaan. Okay? Nagkakahiyawan. But if there's one thing I'll guarantee you because of the type of work that we do, I don't remember any organization resisting the process. Every time we leave the organization in our first meeting, people are more peaceful. Was that true?
Yes.
People are more happy.
Yes.
They have high energy and they're hopeful and they want to continue to do it again and again simply because it created such enormous amount of synergy in full alignment. Little did we know, it was actually the baggages that we carry on a personal note that we bring in the office.
Agree.
That we just have to clear it. Again, instant, I should say benefit. However, again, that's just one time, big time. Kaya nga, you take a bath every day. So that's why when we leave there, if you like this, okay, simple lang po ang formula natin. Okay? In Soulful Organization or in ROD, 3 formula that we introduce. Number 1, okay? We make our Creator, our God, as our center of everything that we do in our personal life, in our professional life, right? Number 2, strategy. No? So we're not gonna talk about business strategy. Simple lang. The strategy here is for everyone must adopt what we call GEC, okay? Which means from the lowest rank to the highest rank, including the owner, growth is the ultimate priority.
Yeah.
Number 2, experience is being able to say yes to anything that you don't know of, such as digital transformation, so that you get to know, gusto ko ba, hindi ko gusto. Open yourself to experience. But why we do this is because number 3, we are in the space of contribution. Again, you just mentioned it. Our business is not about just only making money or having a pleasurable life, but we are here on the purpose to help others. And that's the mindset. That's the strategy. When that is the strategy you're gonna do, umulan, bumagyo, bumaha, whatever chaotic experience you have around the market, around the industry, even the economy, hindi ka maiiwanan, hindi ka ma-face out because while you are growing, your people are growing. And when your people are growing, they experience something new that no matter how chaotic the world is or no matter how things get lost, no, because your people are stable, including you. Okay? Now, what will be the KPI? No? How do we measure the success? No? Very simple lang. No? Extreme self-care. No? So, during lunch, no, the management team of GE was here and I spoke to them one at a time. Sabi ko, happy ba kayo na pakialamero kami sa buhay ninyo? No? Ang sagot naman, ramdam kong totoo kasi nakita ko sa mga smile nila, no, sa mga lipstick nila.
Wow.
Ibang-iba na daw.
Self-care
no?
talaga.
Kasi
Yes.
unang-una, yun pala, na-realize ko, kailangan ko palang alagaan sarili ko because all my life, no, lahat inaalagaan ko, nakalimutan ko sarili ko. Now, anong effect nito? Siyempre, papasok kaming buo. Papasok kami excited. So, hindi na kami bugnutin. Then, they create an enormous amount of energy, synchronicity, frequency in full alignment. And now, because this is going on, business is just happening by itself. Sales and production is just a result of number one, my faith in my Creator that He's gonna supply all my needs. But how will He supply if I'm not ready with number two, my vessel? Am I growing with the blessing that I want? Am I experiencing with the blessing that I want? Am I contributing? Because that's your job, to contribute. But the way we do this is number three, is to really take care of my body, physical, health, heart, emotional, and my mind for the growth. And if this is ready, if you want to grow 10x this year, your only job here is to believe in Him 10x, higher faith, to grow, experience, and to contribute 10x, and to take care of myself as the vessel of the Holy Spirit 10x, and that will just come in without even you working hard around it.
Sir Gio, anything that you would like to share right now that you realize dahil sa mga transition na nangyari in your organization?
Parang mabilis yung mga pangyayari. One is the shift of energy talaga. From talagang ano nga ba gagawin natin. Sa tingin ko, they can testify na yung energy natin mas buhay.
Wow.
Yes.
And mas
Palakpakan naman kung totoo yan. Yan, no?
Dito
So
yung
by the
team
way,
niya
no,
right now.
we all the management term are here. They're excited, no? Pinag-ice cream namin sila para malakas yung palakpakan. Isa pang malakas ang palakpakan. Yan.
Yun, ano,
Thank you,
Yan.
ice cream.
Yan.
Thank you for all this na through the guide of the different coaches
Yeah.
and for stalking and thank you for responding. Pag ibang coach nga baka hindi nga kami papansinin. Parang malayo yung distance eh. Pero being with Coach Russ is yun nga, minsan na-invite pa biglaan pupunta sa farm.
Yeah.
Minsan pupunta sa events, and thank you for being approachable and being patient in taking care of us.
Wow. Thank you so much, Sir Gio, no, for really appreciating us as well in helping your organization. And right now, Sir Gio, how do you see your company for the next 1 year or maybe 2 years right now? Kasi for us, limited span of time right now, ang dami ng changes eh. And right now, where do you see yourself, the company growing?
At first, no, nung March nagme-meeting tayo without meeting the space pa, is gusto namin itawid yung June, gusto namin itawid yung December, sana makatawid tayo. Yun yung parang line namin. After a few weeks of coaching, iba na eh. Parang ano na gagawin natin next year, the following year, the following year. Hindi na tayo medyo limited na paano na mangyayari. As we pray, we also ask na we will continue on na yung Harmony more than 17, 18, 19, 20 years pa.
Wow.
And even more na we'll be here together. And I will say on behalf na thank you to the team na you believe na you stayed even if mahirap. You stayed for us.
Oh.
And sama-sama tayo ulit na magra-rise again. Thank you for staying.
Yeah.
I
So
love
Gio, through those difficult times na pinagdaanan mo, paano mo naisip na hindi mag-give up but instead magpalit ng structure? Paano tayo nakarating sa point na nakapag-decide ka na maybe it's time to change structure or change approach dito sa business instead of giving up?
Pagbabalikan natin, 2015 hanggang 2025 ng March, parang it's time to give up nga. Pero since we have consecrated the company to the Lord, from time to time may ibabato si Lord na tao na matutumba ka na, almost subsub ka na, may tutulong. For you to survive or for you to just to go to the next chapter, may mga tao nilalagay si Lord or situation na nilalagay si Lord para makapag-continue ka. Then on 2025, nung na-meet ko si Coach RTD, si Coach Russ, doon ka nalaman, may malaking change pala kailangan talaga sa system and structure na our things won't work and we need a new structure for our going on.
I think I have a lecture. It's called the 5S of a journey of an entrepreneur. No, we all start with number 1, struggling kasi
Struggling
nagsisimula
stage,
ka,
yeah.
right? Pero don't stay there long enough kasi pag nag-struggling ka, talagang hindi mo maitatawid to, no? And hopefully from the struggling, surviving, parang okay na ako, okay na ako. And then stabilizing. And then you're now successful and you're now in significance. A lot of entrepreneur hindi nakakarating doon sa success kasi nga balik pa rin tayo, no? Yung CEO, Chief Everything Officer. Ako yung gagawa ng lahat. The reason why there's a huge struggle here is may nakita ko, magaling ako, sinolo ko at kailangan ko ng tulong. Yung tulong is just bare minimum.
Yeah.
Okay? So, which means I think most important part here is for us to understand that the solution to this is to make sure that, again, number 1, you have a strong team.
Yeah.
You cannot do this alone. Okay? You must be surrounded with leaders, not under you, but leaders should be beside you to help you support your business. Number 2, you must make sure that you also have sales to actually provide your product and your services. But the only way that can move from struggling to surviving to success to significance is to make sure, number 3, and I think this is the ultimate most important if I want to scale my business without, I should say, stress, anxiety, ease and flow, is to really focus a lot of training. But the training is not focused on the how-to. The training in this particular order, number 1, personal mastery. 90% of the time I am spending with my people is to make sure that they have mastered themselves. Because when they have personal mastery, when they now go to their career, the job that they need to do you think magtatanong pa yan or kumukusa?
Kumukusa.
At the same time, eto natutuwa ako, they have their career mastery. Gumagaling, not because I said so, but because alam niya ang obligasyon niya personally na I'm gonna create my own economy, then I have to be good at what I do.
Agree.
Right? Ang leadership is nasa position lang. In my own organization, okay, if you notice, even the lowest rank, they have leadership influence.
Yeah.
Which is lahat ng kaya kong gawin, ginagawa nila. Which is we're gonna train them to become, number 3, leadership mastery. They'll have to be leaders to support them. And most important part, if they want to be part of your business and become business owner. And I know that's what you want for all of your people. They also need to learn business mastery. Why? Yes. Because business is about bringing in money, bringing in profits. So if they don't have business mastery, how can they help you? And the most important structure here na nilalagay ko sa training ko is the spiritual mastery, which is being able to make sure that their core being, their core center, their spiritual practices is so aligned. Because why? All of these things shall be added unto you. These are the key components to move you from struggling to surviving, to stabilizing, to success. Then you become significant.
Wow.
And the significance here is the best place to be because you are no longer in the business. You're just helping other organization to do what we do. And perhaps kaya siguro no, nakakatuwa, no? Napaka-humble CEO, business owner, founder, nag-a-apply to be part of our OD team.
Yeah.
Wow.
Kahit saan ako, nandyan ako, meron bang gimmick ngayon? Oo, andun ka agad. Andun totos. Maybe because you see what we do is something that the world needs as well.
Yes. May limit na hindi qualified mag-OD or mag-intern ang lampas na sa certain age. Dati yun yung unang conversation po natin. Sabi ko kung pwede bang times 2 yung age, pwede pa rin ba maging intern or mag-OD? May time na nag-pass na hindi na napag-usapan. Kami na yung naka-experience ng OD. Inulit ko ulit kay Coach Ras. Baka pwedeng habang inaayos yung company namin, I would also like to support other companies na may ganong need na dati talaga ano yung OD or ano yung organizational development, hindi pa talaga naririnig ng ibang company. So I would like to take part of it.
My dream is to put this into every organization so you don't have to hire us anymore. Why? Because para sa akin, the only way I can help the country to be first world is to empower leaders like you, owners like you, to empower your people so that yung economy natin, wag na natin iasa sa gobyerno, wag na natin iasa sa kung saan-saan, kung hindi yung expansion and growth na meron tayo. And I guess the biggest influence for this dream are the businessmen like you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sir Gio, no, for really inspiring us to still continue to be in a growth mindset na kahit na-achieve mo na yung mga certain level of success mo right now in your life, you're still open, no, to grow and expand yourself by the guidance of Coach Ras. And maybe I'm curious right now, if your wife is still alive right now, tingin mo, Sir Gio, what will her message will be seeing you right now in this space in doing this business?
Maybe before March or hanggang mid-March, baka binatukan ako. hindi naman. Pero there are many rough edges na hindi ko naasikaso throughout the years, but moving forward, knowing the space, so I think she will be proud
Wow.
as we move forward na makita kayo na okay, na meron akong laging gustong sabihin na hindi kayo nalugi staying with Harmony and Wellness. I want to lahat tayo uusad and magiging okay. So, kung ma-achieve natin yan, or ma-achieve natin yan, she will be smiling.
I love that. Thank you for sharing that to us, Sir Gio. And that's something na emotional for us as well. And hearing you right now, seeing a vision to your employees, can you share to us what's your vision or big picture to them?
2 weeks ago, kasi 3 weeks pa lang kami nag-OD eh. 2 weeks ago, sobrang daming
Changes,
learnings na.
yeah.
So on the second week, nakwenta sa amin na may yung parang growth ng bawat isa sa amin. Na from stage ng nag-work ka lang or nagli-lead ka or nagsusupervise ka, may option pala na pwede tayong maging partners and meron palang opportunity to do business. Which is, hindi para sa lahat, pero may ganong opportunity. Kailangan lang natin mag-brainstorm, kailangan natin magtulungan na umangat ng sabay. Sa totoo, nung sinabi ni Coach Fai yun, ang unang tanong ko, paano mangyari yun? Hindi ko rin alam kung paano pa mangyayari yun eh. Pero step by step, makarating tayo. Kasi yan yung structure. Maraming nang naging successful sa ganong system and ganong paraan kasi magiging self-sustained,
Yeah.
self-managed,
Self-motivated.
self-motivated. Kung ganyan tayo lahat, ganyan mindset natin, sa tingin ko, ang lawak, it's limitless.
I think the excitement is coming from understanding na ang dating organization, yung pyramid nandito. Ibig sabihin yung leader nasa ibabaw, ang gagawin ng leader is magbibigay ng direction, magbibigay ng target, tapos yung tao sa ilalim magre-report lang. Nakapagod yan eh. Bakit? 100% ng responsibility is on your shoulder. With the OD that we're designing, everyone is trained to be capable, responsible, and they matter. And they know how to lead because of the weekly accountability, weekly feedback, weekly learning, weekly recognition. It will be an inverted pyramid, which means lahat ng tao nasa ibabaw, katulong mo na mag-isip, katulong mo na magsuporta, at nasa ilalim ka na lang, nanonood, at nagbibigay na lang, eto yung mga direction na gusto ko mangyari, eto yung mga issues natin, usap-usap kayo. Balikan nyo ako, anong solusyon nyo? Ang trabaho ko lang is i-equip kayo ng right mindset, right heart set, right skill set. Most probably, very important is the right soul set so that we can create together. So what tends to happen here is there's a co-creation. Nagtutulungan na hindi lang nakatapat sa iyo yung spotlight, kung hindi yung spotlight sa kanila lahat, ikaw nasa likod lang.
Thank
And
you
I
for
believe Dale is right now coaching or guiding
Yeah,
their
kasama ako
employees,
sa
no?
Kasama na.
ako sa organization ni Gio as an OD, and every time na nakikita ko sila, namumove talaga yung heart ko kasi nakita ko kung gaano nakalaki yung transformation nyo in a very short span of time. And kung gaano kayo ka-willing na i-share sa mga tao mo kung ano yung meron ka. Yung puso mo kasi, yun yung pinanggagalingan kung bakit buhay na buhay yung company mo ngayon, why you are thriving right now. Kasi mahal mo yung mga kasama mo sa organization.
And I can safely say, Dale, that you'll be proud of yourself because again, with the support that you're giving Gio, no? Fearless Forecast, baka yung mga product na meron na napakaganda. By the way, I use yung may carrot, no?
Carrot
so medyo
Based on result?
based on result, no? Maraming natulungan. No?
Yeah.
Nakakatuwa and hopefully mag-expand to. Okay, lahat ng supermarket meron diyan. Lahat ng TikTok live seller meron yan.
Yes.
Yan yung nakikita ko. Diyan ako na-excite.
Thank you for the fearless forecast.
Yeah.
And we're gonna work on that.
Sir Gio, right now, can you share to our audience right now, na business owner as well, kung paano mo masishare sa kanila or mapopromote in integrating or embracing this new type of way in building or fixing the organization?
I would recommend yung first visit nyo naman free eh. Tama,
Yes.
di ba? Free eh. So, walang mawawala sa inyo. Let the coaches visit you and assess and know kung ano ang condition ng team nyo. Kasi, hindi ko rin alam na ganun yung situation namin after nung first visit. And after nun, dun kayo mag-decide kung mag-work ba sa inyo o hindi. It really helped our team a lot and we'll continue on. Pagka-graduate namin or before kami graduate, gusto rin namin makatulong sa ibang team na nagsastruggle sa same. Kasi kung very successful ka, yun nga, meron kayong skills, pero kung walang satisfaction and fulfillment, medyo hindi pang long-term yung laban or yung laro.
Any final words, Coach Russ, that you would like to say to Sir Gio?
I like it because this man is a man who goes beyond numbers,
Wow.
beyond profit, beyond business. It's really coming from the heart and it's purpose-driven. And I guess the only reason why people want us to support them is because the real purpose in life is to really go back to who we are, spiritual being. We're souls. And then for when we put in soul in all of our organization, the organization becomes so alive that people are just willing to raise their hand and say, let's do this together. Let's support and help one another. But it will start with the openness of the mind that I need help, openness of the heart that I want to give, and focusing on really purpose. Because when the purpose is clear, the profits will just appear.
Thank you so much, Sir Gio. No? And lastly, Sir Gio, can you promote your business right now? Saan ka nila
Yan.
mahahanap? Ano yung mga social media ninyo? Saan sila makakabili?
This is the opportunity for you. Baka iba nga, first time talaga, 17 years, first time narinig na mayroong carrot soap. No? So, we're available also sa brick and mortar. Available tayo sa Watsons and Selected Mercury.
So available in Watsons. Wow.
Online, very baby pa tayo at nagpapa-coach rin kami. We're also available in Lazada, Shopee, and TikTok. Can I add something?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
Kasi dati, ang company, vision and mission lang talaga ang meron. Meron palang tinatawag na MTP. Parang higher pa ng vision and mission ng company. And na-craft namin yun. Na-craft namin before, yung before nag-start yung company, na-craft namin yung vision. Dalawa lang kami. It takes weeks bago namin na nabuo yung vision mission for the company. Pag in-interview ko sila, sa tingin ko hindi nga nila alam. Kahit every week sinasabi ko kung ano yung vision mission, hindi nila alam. Pero nung nagkaroon ng coaches on our second week na nag-open, na kailangan pala ng MTP. Ano yung may MTP? Massive Transformative Purpose. Ano ba talaga purpose ng company? And yung pinagsamahan nating nagawa natin within 30 minutes,
Yeah.
Wow.
pinagtulungan natin. And hindi lang ako yung nag-isip, kasama kayo sa pag-isip. Ano yung na form natin? To give confidence to every Filipino
Yeah.
with a legacy of love.
Yes.
Na yung soap natin, hindi lang kami taga-benta ng sabon. Gusto namin na sa paggamit nyo, mabalik yung confidence nyo. And bakit nandito yung company? It's through the legacy of love.
Wow.
Wow.
Indeed, beyond business,
Yeah.
not just purpose, but love.
And with that, thank you so much, Sir Gio, for really having the time and sharing your story
you,
and
thank you.
value to our audience. Again, I'm Don, and I'm with Dale, and together we have here Coach Russ, and this is Beyond Business Playbook Podcast, reminding you that real business growth starts with the right playbook.
And if you are a business owner and you find value in this and you want to experience our free culture and leadership assessment, don't hesitate to hit us up dahil we are here to support you. And don't forget to like and follow us para tuloy-tuloy pa na magkaroon kayo ng tips on how to scale smarter and lead better.